Hi everyone. Hi Nilofer. Thank you so much for approving. Uh, okay, I can see people joining us. Hi everyone. Myself Aarti Chauhan. Um, wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Myself Aarti Chauhan. We are live from our studio, which is at Tingre Nagar. I am a fashion designer, and we customize your outfits. We customize from kurtis to lehengas, gowns for you. Also, we make a lot of designer outfits available in different sizes. So if you have if you don't have much time, and if you want something to be ready quickly, we can do that for you. And yeah, so I'll just quickly brief what all we are going to see today. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much the people who are going to join later, who are going to watch this video later. So yeah, also I would like to thank all of you who had watched our the first live on Pula, and we got a really overwhelming response from that. More than, I guess, 150 people visited us after seeing that live. So I'm really grateful to all of you for loving our collection so much. और बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपने आउटफिट दिवाली के लिए कस्टमाइज करके लिए हैं हमसे, एंड पीपल हैव बॉट फ्रॉम आवर रेडीमेड कलेक्शन एज वेल. So thank you so much. And yeah, so every time I start with my saris and blouses, because I just personally love saris and blouses, and we are getting a lot of appreciation for our blouses designs as well. But somehow I left out showing you our dresses designs. So I'm thinking to show you our dresses first today, and then we'll go to blouses and saris. Everyone, please stay tuned, because I'm going to show you a lot of designs, and I am going to tell a lot about our next plans and this next collection as well. So let's not wait time, and let's start quickly. So I'll show you some of the dresses, some of our intricate handwork and all. So just stay tuned and allow me to show you all these outfits. Okay, so first we'll start with our embroidery work which we customize. So this is the dress we have designed for fashion show. So this is made in pure raw silk. So the quality of silk is 100% pure, and you can see how intricate the handwork is done. So we have our embroiders who can do these for you. I myself draw all these designs. If you have some theme in your mind, like some people want to do Rajasthani kind of a design, तो उनके हम लोग मोटिफ वगैरह ये जो है. So this is designed on the theme of Venice, like destination wedding on Venice. तो हम लोग ने पूरे वेनिस का जो ये सब लैम्प से उनके जो उनका जो आर्किटेक्चर है, उनके जो ये मोटिव्स है, उनके जो वहाँ के जो फ्लावर्स उनके जो फ्लावर्स जो वहाँ पे उगते हैं, वो सब के हमने मोटिव्स बनाए हैं, एंड देन वी हैव मेड दिस ब्यूटीफुल डिजाइन. So this is just a sample to show you that we do designing on theme basis. So if you have some wedding coming soon, or if you have some function to wear these kind of outfits, you can contact us. So this is the design. So it's blouse inside, and it's a jacket. So with this we have given a plain beautiful this lehenga. So this is the lehenga, and this is the dress. So it is in single color, made with pure this raw silk. Okay, and we dye on the color of your choice. So this is the first outfit I wanted to show you. Also, I'd like to show you some of our handwork done on the blouse pieces. So we keep some of these blouse pieces ready. अगर आपको तुरंत ही कुछ चाहिए, in particular color, so we can make this. These are sleeves. So this kind of work we do. Most of the outfits, we don't keep, as these are made on the request. So this is another beautiful resham work we have done. And you'll see a little bit of gold in this. So it's a very matte gold because customer को बहुत रेशम वर्क ज़्यादा चाहिए था. So we made this and so this is the front and back. So ये अभी बनने को है, but I'm just showing you this design. So this kind of work we do for your functions and you know the hand embroidery stuff. These are kind of you know very Indo-Western जिसको बोलते हैं outfits. So it's a skirt. You can see the flare. Okay, so this is the skirt. This we have ready with us for sale. So we have a same blouse. So this is the blouse you can wear. With this skirt, it's very heavy actually. So this is the blouse and this is a top. So it will look like this. Or if you want to wear with dupatta, you can choose this kind of blouse and wear a dupatta. We also have this dupatta which will look beautiful with this skirt and this blouse set. So we do you know this kind of mix and match sometimes. Okay, so I'll show you some of the festive collection. और आपको जैसे weddings वगैरह भी बहुत सारे आएंगे. If you want to gift someone, बहुत ऐसे cotton stuff नहीं देना. So you know something in heavier if you want. So this is the dress you know I was wearing in my previous live. If you want to see, और बहुत सारे लोगों ने शायद देखा भी होगा. So it was customized for myself. So people had gone crazy for this dress. You know I was wearing this. Okay, price. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, so ये सब जो डिजाइनर आउटफिट्स है उसके प्राइसेस मैं आपको अभी नहीं बता सकती बिकॉज उसको आपको फैब्रिक, आपको कितना फ्लेयर चाहिए, उसका डिजाइन क्या है, उसके ऊपर से वी कैन I can tell you the price. So now onwards I'll tell you the price for all the collection. So you can see this beautiful Dola silk dupatta and this is a beautiful pure Chanderi brocade dress. So it's a dress. The dress is for 3,000. It comes with cotton lining to make it very comfortable for you. And this is a Dola silk. It's pure Dola silk dupatta. You can see the pallu as well. It's a very beautiful dupatta. Okay, so we have colors in this. This dupatta is priced at 1875. You can consider wearing these kind of you know rich looking dresses in your like functions, weddings या तो birthday parties होता है. You can wear these kind of outfits. So this is उसके बाद you know last वाला जो live था उसके बाद then we had to make sizes in this and this is the last piece I have. We are going to restock this again. If you are interested, just ping me. So this is again a beautiful dress. It's a cotton. It's a sleeveless kurta and it's a very beautiful pant with the balloons at the bottom. So if you'll see pictures, I can show you. अभी मैं नहीं दिखा पाऊंगी and it's the beautiful gota is given. So these kind of outfits you know you can wear for the whole day. अगर आप बहुत heavy कुछ पहन लेते हो, you cannot carry it for the whole day. तो ये these are very comfortable you know the festive collection. So the price of this is 2,600. So it's again a brocade dress. It's a very bright color. वो बहुत प्यारा दिखेगा. And we have given this beautiful dupatta with the gota lace. This kind of lace is given on the dupatta. It comes with a pant, plain pant with plain dupatta, pure chiffon dupatta, and this is the brocade dress. It's for 3,500. 3-piece set at 3,500. So this is again a most loved designs of our collection. It's a very elegant, very cotton silk dress. ये आपको पूरा detailing दिखेगा. We have given gota. So this is for 1,875 top and bottom set. Very very beautiful elegant dress. You can see this kind of tassels we have made with this dress. So it is again top, bottom and dupatta. So dupatta is also very beautiful. See, it is for 3,000 with dupatta. It's again from our cotton silk collection, because this year people did not want to spend a lot, and these are very comfortable festive collection. So this is gota work dupatta comes with this dress. The set is for 2875. So I'll show you quickly these designs. It's one of the beautiful design. I'll show you the pant because it has a very beautiful element. See. So if you like something from this, I can show you the modeling pictures as well. So this is top and it's a bottom. 1600. This is 3-piece dress. It's again around 2600. So I'll show you some of our kaftan designs. It's a short kaftan. You can wear it as a dress, short dress, or you can wear it with jeans. It's a kalamkari. The short one is 1050. Kalamkari is for 1450. It's a calf length dress. You can wear it as a dress, or you can wear it as a top with a white bottom. So it's again a beautiful pure ikkat, handloom ikkat kaftan. It is for 1550. So I'll quickly show you some of our designs, because see, we have our casual wear kurtis stock out. We don't have more sizes, but I'll just show you the collection कैसे हम लोग बनाते हैं. So these are all my own designs. We make these garments at our workshop, so you will not get the similar pieces anywhere. ये सब का आपको 850 to 1300 तक प्राइस आएगा. This is again our most loved design. You can see this, we have added this beautiful handwork in this design. Again, it's a beautiful kurti. Let's see. It is with this balloon sleeves, which is very much in trend these days. So it's indigo kurti. So these kind of holiday dresses also we have. You can see this design we gave on the straps. Okay, so I have shown you some of our collection in these dresses. Now I'll show you blouses and dupattas, and then we'll go for the sarees. So these are all the silk blouses with embroidery. So it will be very difficult to mention the price. I can tell you the price range. ये जो silk and embroidery है, these will cost you 1775. It's a very beautiful blouse which will go with most of your sarees. 1275. It's a very traditional kind of a blouse, very simple, very elegant. You can wear it with a lot of sarees and colors. So these are some of the brocade blouses. I'm not going to show you each color and design. So we have these in two different prices. ये जो आपको आएगा 875 or 975. These are for 1300. So the fabric is different. So these are some of our golden blouses, as you can see. So I'll quickly show you. ये 875 है. So it's again with embroidery. You can see the finishing. So these are all different designs in brocade. तो और shade भी आते हैं, golden के बहुत सारे shades आते हैं. So you can bring your sarees for blouses. बहुत सारे हमारे हैंडलूम डिजाइन्स है. People just love them, and we are going to make a lot of new designs this post Diwali, because we were busy in the Diwali work. So now we are going to design in our like almost 10 to 15 designs are coming. So this is the silver blouse. So we have like more variety in black, silver, golden, other colors. These kind of blouses you will get ready. If you want to customize, we can do that as well. So this is one of our most loved blouse. हमने बहुत सारे blouses बनाए ये this particular design and I'll show you 2-3 more designs. बहुत सारे fabrics मेरे पास खत्म हो गए थे, so we are going to make these in different sizes very soon. So this is chikankari cotton with this beautiful frills. So I'll show you a sari as well with this blouse जो हमने design किया था. So this is the chikankari sari. It's a chikankari sari with this beautiful yeah. So it has beautiful frill on its pallu. See. So this we have paired with this beautiful frill blouse. So we have designed it like this. Okay. So आपके neck पे frill आ जाएगा and it will be like this. So we are going to relaunch these sarees. अभी मेरे पास stock में अभी आने वाली है. It was stocked out. So now we have made more these kind of, it's pure Georgette chikankari sarees. Now we are going to make more colors in this. So I'll quickly show you some of its colors. So if you like some, please let me know. It's a yellow, black, red. ये बहुत लोगों को पसंद आया था. So we are going to remake these sarees. This is baby pink, sky blue, white, yellow. People have just loved them. I was wearing yellow in one of my live session. So we have like few more in yellow. So these are the colors. Okay. So if you like any of these, please let me know. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you some of our dupattas. एक जो दुपट्टा मैंने आपको दिखाया था with this dress. Okay, the same dupatta we have in different colors. I'm going to show you the colors. So these are the colors. It is black. Again, it's a red, as you have seen. It's a beautiful, pinkish, dark pink color. It's a blue. This is black. So these are the colors in this. Yeah, how can you forget green? It's very nice. Also we have this heavy fulkari dupattas. I'm not going to open everything. This is for 1775. It's cotton dupatta, all over work hai isme. So if you are interested in this kind of stuff, these are like regularly going dupattas. Okay, I would like to open and show you this beautiful dupatta which I have designed. So people have taken this dupatta and then asked me to make a dress. कि बाबा अभी dress भी बना के दो, दुपट्टा किसके साथ पहनेंगे? So we made pure malmal dresses also with these. So as you can see, it's a malmal dupatta with gota, and we have added this beautiful scallop all over the dupatta. It's all handmade, huh? So we've made this malmal white dresses for the people who bought our dupattas. So yes, our malmal collection is also going to come very soon. Not very soon, like after this wedding collection. First wedding collection आएगा, उसके बाद then malmal collection आएगा. Okay, so these are this is the dupatta. इसमें एक और भी variety है. If you are interested, please WhatsApp me. I'll show you the other variety as well, and these also can be customized. Okay, so so these are very common stuff. Some of these are like बनारसी. इसमें colors वगैरह मिल जाएगा, तो आप मुझे बता देना if you want. Yeah, this is again a very beautiful this नेट दुपट्टा. ऐसा होता है ना कि एक गोल्डन कलर का हम लोग को चाहिए होता है बहुत सारे हैवी ड्रेसेस और सूट के साथ. बिकॉज आई एम वेयरिंग दिस रेड, इट्स नॉट लुकिंग गुड ऑन दिस, एंड यू कैन सी दिस. सो इसका प्राइस आएगा 1225. ओके, सो आई शो यू मोर just recently arrived dupattas. These are just like the sari I am wearing. We have dupattas in same material. See, these are very graceful, very beautiful dupattas. So we have different varieties in this. This is ajrak print. Okay, so ajrak print में आपको color design मिलेगा. We have the same quality of fabric in shibori print as well. So I'll show you one shibori. So if you know, it is hand tie and dye technique to dye a fabric. Okay, so this is the beautiful dupatta. Okay, so we have the same काइंड ऑफ स्टोल्स एज वेल. इसमें भी आपको बहुत सारे, अभी गिफ्टिंग के लिए लोगों ने बहुत सारे लिए हैं, एंड पीपल आर रियली हैप्पी विद दिस स्टफ because you can give these to any college going girl, any office going girl. दुपट्टा मैम इस 2550 to 2700 तक आपको दुपट्टे आ जाएंगे जो विथ लगड़ी पल्लू एंड ऑल है. दीज आर स्टोल्स, मोडाल स्टोल. इट इज फॉर 950. okay, so I quickly, so these are again colors of this modal dupattas. Okay, so I'll quickly show you some of our saris, though we do not have a lot of saris in stock because of this Diwali season. बहुत सारे saris sold out है, but still I can show you some of the saris. And yes, how can I forget these blouses? These are my favorite and people have just loved these blouses. So yeah, इसमें आपको बहुत वेराइटी मिलने वाला है. इन नेक्स्ट 15 days you will get a lot of designs in this cotton blouses because people, these are like very much in demand. बहुत inquiries आ रहे हैं मुझे, बहुत सारे people want sizes and people want more design colors, so we are going to make a lot of them. So you just contact me. So these you can carry in your office, you can wear it casually as well. So these are the cotton blouses. Also the one blouse I'm wearing, so you see a lot of you can see the fitting of these blouses. ये भी सबको बहुत पसंद आया, and we have like multiple colors in this as well. Okay, the one we have in floral, we have sizes in this as well. So this can be worn with a lot of saris. I'll just show you the texture and the shine, So these are very beautiful blouses. और ऐसा नहीं है कि ये आपको स्टेप ऐसे गिरेगा और it won't look good. ऑफिस वेयर के लिए भी बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स लेके गए and they are like very happy with this. Okay, so if you want some from these, you can tell me. आपके साइज का प्रॉपर अगर आप ब्लाउज लेंगे तो आपको बहुत अच्छा फिट हो जाएगा. So you don't worry about these. ओके, ऑल्सो अगर आपको बहुत पतला स्ट्राइप नहीं चाहिए तो वी कैन कस्टमाइज दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर. आपको स्लीवलेस ही चाहिए, थोड़ा सा ब्रॉड चाहिए, सो वी कैन कस्टमाइज दैट एज वेल. तो आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि आपको कौन सा कलर चाहिए एंड मतलब व्हाट ऑल कस्टमाइजेशन यू वांट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर डिजाइन. वी कैन डू दिस. ब्लाउजेज आर, वी हैव दिस ब्लाउजेज इन सम कलर्स एंड सम साइजेस. ठीक है, द प्राइस इज फॉर 1275 द वन आई एम वेयरिंग, एंड अभी जो मैंने आपको दिखाया. ठीक है, तो कस्टमाइजेशन के येस वी चार्ज अ लिटिल मोर बिकॉज हम लोग को पूरा प्रॉपर उसको कट एंड स्टिच करना पड़ता है. सो या विल क्विकली मूव टू आवर साड़ी कलेक्शन. सो ओके, सो द वन आई एम वेयरिंग इज बांधनी. ओके, सो एज आई जस्ट शो यू क्विकली. बहुत सारे लोगों ने कमेंट भी किया है बट आई कुड नॉट आंसर देम, सो नाउ आई आंसर. सो दिस इज बांधनी. इट्स प्योर मोडाल सिल्क. आप क्वालिटी पे भरोसा कर सकते हैं हम लोग के ऊपर. वी गेट दिस मेड फ्रॉम द कारीगर्स, फ्रॉम द प्रिंटर्स, फ्रॉम द आर्टिस्ट जो इनके मास्टर्स है, राइट. हम लोग कहीं से लेके ऐसे सेल नहीं करते. आई हैव माई चिकनकारी यूनिट, सो वी हैव टाई अप विथ अ लॉट ऑफ हैंडीक्राफ्ट यूनिट्स फॉर चिकनकारी फ्रॉम दिस बांधनी, फ्रॉम अजरक प्रिंट. आपने जो कुर्तीज भी देखी बहुत सारी, तो ये सब जो प्रिंट्स होता है ये हमारा डायरेक्ट प्रिंटर से आता है, जो फैब्रिक से, राइट. सो वी हैव लाइक प्रिंटर्स, वी हैव बंदेज के जो भी आर्टिस्ट रहते हैं, वी हैव काथा वर्क आर्टिस्ट. सो आई शो यू सम ऑफ द काथा वर्क कलेक्शन एज वेल if I have last 5 minutes. Okay, so more you can call me anytime, and so these are our customized saris. So it has this beautiful frill. Okay, so this is organza sari. अच्छा, जो मटेरियल मैंने पहना है सेम आपको मिलेगा इन अजरक प्रिंट. सो दीज आर आवर favorite and famous sarees on Pula as well. People come from far, to see this kind of material and to see these stuffs personally. So you can also come and see, so you'll get idea what all stuffs we have, because in live sessions we cannot show you all these things, and you cannot feel the texture. So if you really want to feel the quality, the texture, you can visit us. This is another color 4550. These are the prices of our this collection. इसमें आपको नेक्स्ट जो कलेक्शन आएगा थोड़ा सा प्राइजेस वेरिएशन मिलेगा आपको. ओके, सो आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू सम ऑफ द एक्सक्लूसिव पीसेस. So this is Katha work sari. So this is hand woven handloom sari from Kolkata. If you have idea or if you have knowledge about this Kolkata and the tradition, it is Khesh sari. तो खेश का जो स्पेशलिटी है वो है the different kind of the other fabric is woven into this particular fabric. So this is the speciality of खेश साड़ी. So आपको कभी कभी printed और ऐसे देते थे खेश करके. So it is not printed, the other fabric is woven into this. So yeah, we have only 2 colors left in these because of, as I said, Diwali बहुत सारा खत्म हो गया है, but yes, we are going to restock them. So this is the body and this is the pallu. Okay, so we have another color in this. I'll show you picture if you are interested. Also we have some Kota Doria. So this is Kota Doria sari. If you are interested, you can post your requirement on WhatsApp. Okay, I'll show you the modeling pictures and proper pictures. अभी मैं आपको इतना अच्छे से शायद नहीं दिखा पा रही हूँ, but yeah, so we have these kind of saris. So this is Chanderi by Cotton. Okay, it's a very beautiful, very elegant saris. We have different prints in this. It's Ajrak print. The price is 3250. I think I have 2 minutes left, so I'll just give you a small message which I want to give you. So these are linen dupattas, around 475 or something is the price. Okay, so I think I'm done for today. If you want to see more of our collection, you can message me. आप हमारे social media को भी follow कर सकते हैं आप to see a lot of new collection which we are making. और obviously Pula पे people know us and they really trust us. जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया था, people come from far, they travel for 20-25 kilometers to visit us and to see this kind of the variety जो भी handcrafted. Mostly I personally learn a lot of handicraft stuff. तो आपको बहुत exclusive चीज़ें मिलेगी जो आपको बहुत बड़े brands बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइस लेके सेल करते हैं. We have very reasonable prices for these exclusive designs. So yes, you should definitely visit अगर आपको थोड़ा भी ये हुआ है, पसंद आया है. Okay, so I think yeah, so we have to end this live. Thank you so much everyone. Wish you all again a very happy and prosperous Diwali. We really hope and we pray God that we recover from this pandemic. We all have affected a lot. So please help each other and आप जितना भी local businesses को promote कर सकते हैं please करिए. Because जो छोटे छोटे जो businesses है वो बहुत ज़्यादा affect हुए हैं. So I request all of you to support all the small businesses. Even personally, if I tell you my experience, every day I get call from 2 or 3 tailor master embroiders कि मैम आपके पास कुछ काम है क्या. So I really wish because I cannot hire all, right? So I really wish कि मेरा इतना कुछ काम होता कि मैं सबको hire करूँ. People come and they literally make their faces like they are going to cry. कि उनको बहुत महीनों से कुछ काम नहीं है, वो जहाँ पे काम करते थे वो बंद हो गया है. So I really feel for them. So it's not about me. आप कोई भी जो भी आपको local जो sellers है, पूला पे भी बहुत सारे हैं. So I request all of you to support them. So आगे वो भी अपने और staff है उनको support कर पाए. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great year. जिनका New Year है अभी. Right? Thank you so much everyone. Thank you Pula and team for giving us this opportunity and taking so much efforts for this, and they are supporting a lot of entrepreneurs. So I really appreciate them. Thank you so much. Happy Diwali. Bye.